Greeting everyone, I am Mr. L.S. Zungu, a Mathematics and Sciences Educator at Enqoleni Primary School. As a school, our vision is to produce a well-educated, skilled and highly developed citizenry. And one way of attaining that is through networking and partnering with NGOs such as I Learn to Live. We've been partnering with I Learn to Live in various educational programs. Currently, we have embarked on mathematics tutorial videos to address difficult concepts in grade 4 to 7, and also mainly to address misconceptions that learners have. Thus, the videos will benefit every learner. And also will be conducted in a code switching methodology to enlighten some concepts and prevent language barrier. So as the time goes on, there will be upcoming videos that will be accessible in different ways. So please do get those videos. I thank you.